Okay guys, ayusin natin or papalitan natin yung cartridge ng leaky shower head. Shower head. So dito tumutulo. Okay. So ang problema dyan yung cartridge niya dito. So binuksan ko na to kahapon. Order na ako sa Amazon. Ito yung cartridge head na papalit, saka merong tool na pangpalit. Tapos binalik ko ulit. Out of hindi scripted yun Okay guys, we're gonna fix the leaking shower head. So I opened this up yesterday and figured that the problem is the cartridge, which is inside the knob, and you need a tool so to get it out. So I bought a complete kit. Okay, let's fix it. And make sure you cover the drain so you don't drop any screws. And one down. Goes in this two. These are two long screws. So I brought my power tool. I don't know if it's gonna work. Okay. Okay. Take that off. We don't need this. Take it off. Take this off. There's a clip. And now I think we're ready. We are ready. Supposed to be, this is the puller. This is my first time using a puller, by the way. Okay, let's see. Oh, I need a wrench. Okay, I have a wrench. Let's see. Okay guys, bigyan ko lang ng idea, no? Wala, shit happens. Durog yung cartridge. So yan, pinipira-piraso ko na yung plastic. Pinipiraso ko na yung plastic. Yan, kalat-kalat na sa baba. Hi guys, just to give you an update. The cartridge is in pieces. I'm trying to get everything out in pieces. Cause it didn't go out when I pulled this out. Okay guys, bigyan ko kayo update. Nalinis ko na. Wala na yung mga plastic. Nadurog na. Pero ang gagawin ko, bubuksan ko yung tubig sandali para itulak. Baka may mga nahulog na plastic dyan sa mga butas na yan. Ayan siya. It's a mess. Okay guys, so this is the new cartridge. So these are the two holes, left and right. So I'm gonna touch it like this. Alright, next I'm gonna use this lubricant, not edible, don't eat it, around the cartridge before I insert it. I have to remind you not to eat it. Why, oh why? The O-ring, rubber. Okay, and no O-ring at the back. Okay, okay. It came with this part. I need to take this off. Huh? Says H and O, hot and cold. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. Hold on. Just hold it like that. And it's ready to go. Moment of truth. It's clean. Nothing there. Right guys, at this point, I'm gonna test it. See, it's not all the way in because it's already tight. So let me turn on the water. Okay guys, take two. So it needs to be all the way in. Needs to touch it. But my concern is the O-ring is over there. Okay guys, I did it. So initially, akala ko nagkamali ako ng bili ng cartridge kasi nung inon ko na yung valve sa baba, grabe yung tagas ng tubig dito. So ibig sabihin lang, yung cartridge hindi gaano nakapasok. So the clue is pag hindi nyo mailagay itong pin, ibig sabihin hindi pa siya lapat. So pag ngayon, nasira ako nga yung O-ring eh. So ingat na ingat ako magtulak pero ayaw na talagang pumasok. Gumamit ako nito para pinukpok ko ng konti. Alalay lang yung pokpok hanggang maka-atras siya talaga, no? So gamit ka nito, tapos eto siya pinukpok ko. Tapos nung seated na talaga siya, dumaos-dos na lang pababa yung pin. Ngayon wala nang tagas. Wala na rin tagas dito. So wala, it's just a matter of pagbalik ng mga tinanggal ko kanina. Yun ay madaling part. Ang importante talaga, huwag mo isasara to na may tagas. Otherwise baka bumaha or masira yung bahay mo. Pero yun guys, no? So ito yung Moen, M-O-E-N na 1222 cartridge. Pag hindi mo ma-shoot to, ibig sabihin hindi pa siya pasok all the way. You need to do everything para maipasok pa siya. So yun sa akin nga, alalay na pukpok. Anyway, that's it guys. Napalitan ko na yung shower namin. Cartridge, wala na siyang tulo. Thanks for watching.